Okay, wanted to make a short video. This is a logging crew on our property. Loader sorting logs into piles, pulpwood, fly logs, and chipping saw. A little bit of hardwood pulpwood in here, but mostly pine. This is a load of chipping saw, and the specs on that are a 10-inch butt to a 6-inch top, and at least, I believe it's 35 feet long, minimum, 32 or 35. They're binding the load down to take it to the mill. Skidder pulls up the wood, then the loader will grab it and sort it. It's a little dusty, but the loader, he'll grab a piece of wood and put it in that delimber. It'll take the limbs off of it. It's got a cutoff saw. He cuts the top off of it to a 6-inch top. Well, whatever size they're looking for. On the chipping saw, it's a 6-inch top on the chipping saw. Pulpwood, it's a 3-inch top. And the ply logs, I believe it's either an 8 or a 10-inch top. He sorts it and he puts it on the truck. Ties it down. And then they got another truck coming. They'll load it down. Stay tuned for more management videos.